Mark Zuckerberg, CEO of Meta, is embarking on a bold and ambitious journey to lead to the race toward artificial superintelligence, an advanced form of AI that surpasses human capabilities across all areas of knowledge. While still a distant and undefined concept, Zuckerberg believes this transformative technology will shape the future and is determined for Meta to be at the forefront. This mission marks a significant shift in focus for the company after Meta's grand metaverse plans failed to generate the expected excitement and profits. Zuckerberg is now fully invested in AI as the next major wave in tech innovation. His vision is not just about creating useful AI tools, it's about building a foundational platform that could power the next era of digital life, just as Apple and Google did with mobile operating systems in the 20s. To achieve this, Meta is investing aggressively. The company is spending billions on specialized infrastructure such as advanced chips and data center. And just last month, it poured $14.3 billion into Scale AI, a data labeling startup. The acquisition brought notable talent into Meta, including Scale founder Alexandra Wang, who now leads Meta new Superintelligence lab alongside Nat Friedman, the former CEO of GitHub. Their mission: build a revolutionary AI system that billions of people can use and love it. Zuckerberg has made it clear he wants Meta to host the industry's most elite AI team. On Threads, he recently stated his goal is, and I quote, to build the most elite and talent-dense team in the industry, end of quote. To make that happen, Meta has launched a massive recruitment drive, reportedly offering eye-watering compensation packages to lure top talent from OpenAI, Google, Apple, and Anthropic. Some offers are rumored to reach into the hundreds of millions, though Zuckerberg has publicly downplayed those figures. This fierce hiring spree has escalated so-called AI talent war, with rival CEOs like OpenAI, Sam Altman, and Google's Sundar Pichai acknowledging the intense competition. Altman even claimed Meta has been offering his employees signing bonus of up to $100 million. Despite Meta's deep pocket and bold ambition, challenges remain. The company does not have a cloud computing business like Microsoft or Google, which makes it harder to immediately profit from AI infrastructure investments. Furthermore, delays in releasing the most powerful version of its Llama 4 language model have raised the concern that Meta might be falling behind. Industry analysts are watching closely. Some question how this quest for superintelligence fits into Meta's core business, especially when AI is already enhancing the company's advertising and the product algorithm. Minda Smiley, a senior analyst at Emakata, noted that Zuckerberg and his team will likely face tough questions during upcoming earnings call about the practical benefit of this costly venture. Still, Zuckerberg appears underrated. Many believe his determination stems from a personal desire to leave lasting legacy beyond Facebook and social networks. Doug Kess, a former OpenAI executive, said that if Zuckerberg succeeds in building AI that can solve real-world problems like curing disease, he may finally share the narratives of being